Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm making fermented rice water to aid in healthy hair growth. And starting off, I already rinsed my rice off, and now I'm going to add a couple of scoops to my mason jar. And after I add a couple of scoops, I'm going to add 2 cups of water. And fermenting is just letting something sit for more than 24 hours. During fermentation, a substance called bacteria forms in the rice water and is rich in vitamin, minerals, and amino acids and organic acids. Bacteria is known to promote cell regulation and keep your skin and hair healthy. Okay guys, so now I'm just going to section my hair off into 4 sections. And right now I'm looking at my hair, is so dirty, so I like to use my rice water as a pre-poo because I have low porosity hair and I don't want a protein overload to make my hair all stiff. So I just leave it on for about I guess about 15 minutes, and then I wash it out, and I shampoo my hair, and then I condition it. And so I'm going to spray it on the roots and massage it in, and to let let the fermented rice water soak in my hair to aid in the hair growth. And I want to get all the nutrients in my hair follicles. Um, and this method is going to condition your hair to make it more manageable and soft, and add shines, and also help with split ends. So I don't want to talk through the whole video, so I'm just going to show you guys what I do, and then I'm going to put a shower cap on and wash it out and style my hair as usual. So just keep on watching.